Do you know it's now possible to build your own betting platform, just like 1xBet? Stop wasting time on these betting platforms and then build your own betting business. I have an entire video that will walk you through step by step how to build a betting platform. Let me show you how that website looks like. This is the website we built in that video. Remember to check it. So right now we have live matches and upcoming matches. On top you have your menus. Here you have a banner promoting other things. You have your bet slip here, my bets button. User can click to join or log into your system. And right down we have these all sports, football. So that's the sport categories. User can place bet like this, enter an amount, and then click on please bet. So if you're curious to learn how to build this or your own betting platform, check the description of this video or the video that will pop up right now. It's going to walk you through the entire process of creating your own betting platform. Thank you for watching this brief video. Hoping to see you on that video.